Solved problems. Discount series. List price, net price and SED. Single equated discount rate. Problem. Fill in the blanks for the following categories. Rates of discount, list price, net price, SED. A. Rates of discount 10% and 15%. List price 5187.34. Net price and SED dash dash. B. Rates of discount 33.1 by 3%, 5%, 7%. List price dash. Net price 2688.97. SED dash. C. 25%, 10%, 10% and 5% are the rates of discount. List price not known. Net price 749.12. SED not known and to be found out. Problem A. Rates of discount, list price, net price, SED. Rates of discount 10% and 15%. List price 5107.34. Net price and SED are not known. Working 100% and 100%. Less discounts minus 10% and minus 15%. Net 90%, 85%. Net price percent is equal to 90% into 85% is equal to 76.5%. SED 100% minus 76.5% is equal to 23.5%. Net price is equal to list price minus discount. Discount is equal to 5107.34 into 23.5% is equal to 1219.03. Net price is equal to 5187.34 minus 1219.025, that is equal to 3968.315. Check. List price 5187.34. Discount 23.5%, 1219.02. Net price 3968.32. Solution. List price 5187.34. Net price 3968.32. SED 23.5%. Problem B. Rates of discount 33.33%, 5% and 7%. List price not known. Net price 2688.97. SED not known. Workings 100%, 100% and 100% for discounts. Less discounts 33.33%, minus 5%, minus 7%. Net 66.67%, 95% and 93%. Net price percent is equal to 66.67% into 95% into 93% is equal to 58.90%. SED single equated discount rate is equal to 100% minus 58.9%, that is equal to 41.1%. List price is equal to net price by net price percent into 100. List price is equal to 2688.97 by 58.90%, that is equal to 4565.31. Check. List price 4565.31. Net price percent 58.90. Net price 2688.97. Solution. List price 4565.31. Net price 2688.97. SED 41.1%. Problem C. Rates of discount 25%, 10%, 10% and 5%. List price is not known. Net price 749.12. SED not known. Working 100%, 100%, 100% and 100% for 4 discounts. Less discounts are respectively are 25%, 10%, 10% and 5%. Net percentage is equal to 75%, 90%, 90% and 95%. Net price is equal to 75% into 90% into 90% into 95% is equal to 57.71%. SED single equated discount rate is equal to 100% minus 57.71%, that is equal to 42.29%. List price is equal to net price by net price percent into 100. List price is equal to 749.12 by 57.71%, that is equal to 1298.08. Check. List price 1298.08. Net price percent 57.71. Net price is equal to 749.12. Solution. List price 1298.08. Net price 749.12. SED 42.29%. Finally, this is the problem solution, and let us check. Rates of discount, list price, SED, net price, and total. List price 5187.34, SED percent 23.5%, net price percent 76.51%, SED 1219.02, net price 3968.32, total 5187.34. B. List price 4565.31, SED 41.1%, net price percent 58.90%, SED 1876.34, net price 2688.97, total 4565.31. C. List price 1298.08, SED 42.29%, net price percent 57.71%, SED 548.96, net price 749.12, total 1298.08. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.